Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to Igloo Buds TV. Today, as you can see, I have Now More Than Ever EP by the Flatbush Zombies in my hands. It's absolutely beautiful. We'll be unboxing this, and later on in the video you'll have details on how to sign up for a giveaway. I will actually be giving away a copy of these, so let's get right to it. There's the song list, there's the zombie logo, there's Michi Darko, Zombie Juice, and Eric the Architect. I'm gonna open this now. Should have probably made an incision before, but this is live. No second takes. Boom. Beautiful. I don't know what to call that, but I mean it feels different. I don't know what this is described as, sorry for the lack of vocabulary. Oh wow. So here's the first view. Right away I think they're... Oh, I thought they were lyrics because I'm looking at it through the camera, but no. It's giving you a list of everybody who worked on the song, where it was recorded, who wrote the lyrics, who performed it. Beautiful graphics. And what do we have in here? And here's the CD. Let's do this first. I'll be gentle. Whoa. No. I was like, I'll be gentle when it falls. Whoa, that's beautiful. Check it out. Like Michi showed this off, and I knew I had to get it. Like, they went too hard on this. I mean, the EP's amazing. Don't get me wrong. Oh, on both sides. Jeez. It's beautiful. It really motivates you to like want to make your own things, you know, at least create something. Like, I don't really see this. It's beautiful. I love it. Good job, guys. Absolutely incredible, inspiring. As you guys can probably see, like, I have a tie-dye section to this channel. Go check it out if you're into that. But right back to this. In this pouch I saw something. Sorry, let me grab it. That's so cool. They really love their fans, bro. They're stickers. Got the palm, size of the palm of my hand. Let's check them out. This is Eric, the Architect. 222, baby. Wow. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, it's Meech. Fly away. You already know. Jesus Christ, don't say my name in vain. Zombie Juice. Cool, man. Oh, someone has his head. Zombie status with the mushy flower. Awesome. Awesome experience. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my copy. I will enjoy that. But as I mentioned, I'll be giving away a copy, so one of you will actually have this in your hands shortly. I'm hoping to do monthly giveaways. Maybe not zombie stuff all the time, but at least tie-dye for sure. But this time I knew I could give one of these away. If you don't have one, go ahead. Here are the details to get this in your hands. Just go ahead and go down to my website down in the description. There you'll be able to put your email and subscribe to my newsletter. From there, I'll do a drawing. I'll give it 14 days, 2 weeks from the publishing date of this video, and you'll be able to see that exact date in the description. So, hopefully you guys will enjoy your copy, enjoy the music, enjoy the stickers, enjoy the Flatbush Zombies, and support your favorite artist. Hope you all have an amazing rest of your day or night. Stay positive. Stay zombie. Peace.